So what happens if you use ChatGPT and have it take care of your pool for you? Well, I was super interested to know that. This ChatGPT AI is amazing. And so I just started plugging information in there and trying to get it to help me as a pool owner to take care of my pool. And you know what? A lot of stuff it was really spot on for. And, I know pool information really well. I actually thought that maybe I could kind of derive where ChatGPT was getting its source information from. And that's what I was attempting to do is I'm just nailing it with a barrage of questions, but I noticed a problem, a big problem. So it's the thing with these AI programs. It's a language AI, and so it communicates with you in a way that it seems like it knows what it's doing, and a lot of the time it does. And when it doesn't, does it tell you, hey, I don't really know what I'm talking about here? No, it delivers that information to you with the same authority as though it knows what it's talking about. And I'll give you a specific example. I have a 20 by 40 pool. It's about 35,000 gallons. And I wanted to ask it, I'm at 1 part per million free chlorine, and I want to go up to 3 parts per million free chlorine. How much liquid chlorine do I need to add to my 20 by 40 pool to accomplish this increase of 2 parts per million in free chlorine? And it told me to add 700 gallons of chlorine to the pool. And okay, hold on. Let me rephrase this. I'll be more specific. I'll tell it what concentration liquid chlorine I want and just refeeding it info over and over again. And no matter which way I ask the question or explained that the information that it's giving is not accurate, it would just reiterate over and over that in my 35,000 gallon pool, I need to add hundreds and hundreds of gallons of liquid chlorine in order to marginally increase the free chlorine count. And I tell you what, it was really obvious to notice that this was a problem because I don't buy liquid chlorine in the 55-gallon drums, and you probably don't either. So it's going to be a problem to add that much. But if you didn't know any better, right? And it's just giving you instructions that for whatever reason, I couldn't even make it give me the right information or even recognize how it was wrong. I would show how it was wrong and it would go, oh, right, I see it now. I see how I was wrong. What you need is 700 gallons of liquid chlorine in this pool. And I'm like, okay, this is a problem because if it made an error that was less egregious and you didn't notice it and you're following the instructions, you're going to end up messing up your pool. Like worse than just your water chemistry isn't going to be prime. You're going to have a real problem. Like something's going to break or somebody's going to get hurt in this water because it's telling you to do crazy dangerous stuff because it's just an AI communication tool. It's not a real swimming pool expert. So I was as hopeful as you, and very likely in the future, these things are going to be a lot better and more accurate. But as of right now, it's not accurate enough to just rely on it as a tool to help you to maintain your pool. For whatever reason, it's not able to comprehend the parameters, and it's going to give you erroneous information that could potentially damage your swimming pool. At worst, is not going to help you to balance the chemistry. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.